Welcome to the Java class. In this video, we will discuss a Jpasssword field. So password field is nothing but we can hide the content or character from the others. Okay. So I have, for example, I have a login page which contains one username and password box. Username it can be visible to all, but in case of the password, we need to hide from the others. Okay. We need to provide a security for a login page. Okay. How to hide the characters? So if you enter something, that should be show like a stars, okay, stars or dots something, but it should not be visible to others. So how to, with help of the Jpasssword field class, we can implement the password field in string. Okay, so today we will discuss some constructors using the string using the Jtext field class, Jtext field class. So first one is Jpasssword field, and I am passing the parameter that is column. So this constructor is for the specify the number of columns for the password field. Okay, next with Jpasssword field. Okay, I will pass a string as a parameter. Okay, so it contains the text for the password field. You can just pass the text as a parameter value. Next is Jpasssword field string yes. I will pass two values, string yes and int column. So in this case constructor, so I am passing two values. One is the text for the Jpasssword and column number of specified columns. Okay, specified number of columns. So here three constructors I have used. First one is I have telling you three constructors. First one is Jpasssword field. I am passing the specified number of columns as a parameter, and second one is Jpasssword field, which contains the string type of value, means it contains the text for the Jpasssword field, and last one I have passed two values. First one is the string value, that is contains the text for the Jpasssword field, and another one is specified number of columns for the Jpasssword. Okay. Next is that is by default, which it not contains any text for the Jpasssword field or component or control. It will not contain anything. Just Jpasssword. This is the default constructor, we can say. Okay. I am not passing any text value to a Jpasssword field component or control. Okay, so these are the four constructor commonly used constructor. Let's move to the programming section. Notepad, open Notepad. So here we need to import the package. That is JavaX. JavaX package is for the string. Inside JavaX package there is one sub package called C. I have to access all classes, so I will go for the start. Okay, I will create the class that is password field example public class password example. So I have created a class that is password example. Open curly braces and close curly braces. Okay, next what I will do is I will create a main method public static void string arrays. Okay, inside the main method I will create a frame with a jframe class, which is available in this string package. Jframe f new jframe. Okay, I will pass the text as a password field example. Password field example. Okay, next what I will do is I will create a label for the same with help of the JLabel class. JLabel which is used to display the text. It only reading it's only read only. The label is only read only. We can't edit or we cannot write it. It's read only completely. Label is read only. You cannot write it or you cannot edit it. It will it only for the display purpose. Okay, J label, new J label. Okay, the text for the label is I will pass the password. Okay, so what I will do is I will create a field that is password field with the help of the Jpasssword field class. Okay, that is P new Jpasssword field. Okay, so next I will set the bounds, the location for the label, that is L1 dot set bounds. I will set the position for the label. Label means here L1 20 100 80 and next I will pass the position for the password field, that is P dot set bounds 100 100 100 30. Next I will add this L1 label and password field into a frame. Okay, here what is the frame variable here? F. How to add? F dot call add function and pass parameter L1, pass value that is L1, and F dot add pass value that is P, which is nothing but the Jpasssword field. Jpasssword password control. Okay, I am just adding the password control and label into a frame with the help of the add method. Okay, I will set layout plus F dot set layout. Okay, next I will make the visible it true. I will make it true. So I want to visible it. If you want to, if you don't want to visible it, just make it false. F dot set visible. Visible. Okay. Okay. Show the program. Here my class name is password example. Password example dot Java. So here my location is E and file name is password example. Here the class name and file name should be C. Password example. Click on save. Okay. So open command prompt. How to run the program? Open command prompt. Okay, so it's pointing to Rahul location. Change it to E because my file is available in the E. How to compile the program? Java C. File name is password example. Okay, dot Java. Okay, there is another we cannot read password dot example. So let me check password. Okay, I will compile it once again. Password Java C. So file name I have given wrong. That is only there is no E at the end. Up to L. Password example. Okay. Dot Java. See here. my file name is example. I have missed here E, so we need to compile like password dot example. Okay, there is error that is public. We should be declaring file name as. Okay, so I will just I will change the class name. Okay, so I will now compile the program. Okay, again there is one error that is p dot set bounds. Method set bounds int cannot find the okay. Here set word spelling is wrong. Here I will just make it. I will make correction. Okay, JavaScript password dot example. So successfully compiled. How to run the program? Java password example. Okay, so my application is here. See here, this is the password field. Okay, yeah, whatever you can enter, that will be invisible. See here. Okay, so this is about the password field. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.